Uncle Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to you too. Going to do a little bit of car scouting, very short little video here, something that you've probably never seen before. I think it's some kind of an Austin. Take a look. Look at this. What is that? How cool. Some kind of an old Austin or something, huh? For how old it is amazingly pretty good shape. Let's take a look, see if we can get in here. The engine's in there too. Whatever that says. Too bad it's sitting on some wheels. Say anything about what kind of wheels there? No. That's cool though. 4-ply tires. What does that say? 5 by 5 and 16 inch. Really? It's that big a wheel. It is a Austin of England. It'd be cool if this was a running car. Oh yeah. So why won't this close when it should really close? That would be nice. Somebody's bent this. A little better, no license plate. Had lights at one time. Windows missing. Some parts. No, it does have some glass on that side. Body is amazingly. Look at that. For how old this metal is, it's pretty thin metal, but is this door even open? Oh, it's a push button. That's cool. Yep. Doesn't even squeak. Isn't that something, huh? Pull that baby up. I've had newer cars that squeak. To give you a mileage here. Miles an hour. Huh. Yeah, it doesn't say too much else. There was something there at one time. Gas tank. Go back in here again. Kind of neat. The banjo was a standard, as you can see by the pedals. There's no way to read mileage. Oh, hello, kitten. I'm gonna come say hi too, are you? Are you an attack cat? Huh? Come say hi. I'm not a cat person, but come say hi. I don't have rabies or nothing. You look like you're in good shape. Huh? Well, that's the Austin. Oh, let's see. Was this probably a year somewhere here? Somewhere? Either had them. I don't see anything. What's that? Does that flip? It does. I wonder if that's for the hood. I don't know where the year or make or model would be. We'll have to look it up. This probably had some kind of the same thing, a flip. So neat. Should be on the visor, but there's no visor. darn, huh? No, I think there's a thing here. No. Supposed to be a thing on the hinge? No. Well, I hope you found this little video entertaining. You can subscribe if you like. You can give me the thumbs up. Put some links up here to maybe some more videos dealing with the old cars. Sorry I didn't know the exact year. No serial numbers. The owner has passed away since. The best I could do is to come up with it, one of those 2 years. What did I say, 52 or 53? 53 or 54. Anyway. There'll be more videos coming. Most of them are automotive repairs, but I've been doing a lot more of these too. Check out the channel. I have some playlists there, so you can just click on the old car one. If you just like the old cars, I'll be adding more and more to that playlist too. Take care for now. I hope your family's well. Ours is doing great here. We're just surviving what's been happening. Take care for now, and as always, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.